In this video, I will show you how you can post on Craigslist without getting flagged. Now, some people may have noticed that they cannot post anymore or they've been flagged. So there's actually a simple solution to this. Usually Craigslist will flag people if they post too often. So one thing you can do is you can try not to post 40 posts a day, but instead post a little bit every day. Now, another thing they might flag you with is if you post too much from the same IP. So if you posted a lot, what you can do is you can change IP by using a VPN, and then you should be able to post again with no problem. Now, that's currently the only two ways that I know of, but they should help you. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, as that will help me out as well. Thank you so much for watching.